Why are reusable rockets vital for multiplanetary life? Imagine a future where humans live on Mars or even beyond. Achieving this depends on how efficiently we can send people and supplies into space. Reusable rockets are changing the game. Unlike traditional rockets, which are used once and then discarded, reusable rockets can return to Earth and be launched again. This ability makes space travel much more affordable and practical. Traditional rockets are designed for one-time use. After they deliver their payload, their main parts are left in space or fall back to Earth, which makes each launch very expensive. Building a new rocket for every trip costs a lot of money and takes time. Reusable rockets, however, can land back on Earth safely, often on land or on floating platforms in the ocean. This means they can be refurbished and used again for future missions. The cost savings are huge. Sending humans and cargo to other planets requires many launches over years or decades. If each rocket had to be built from scratch every time, the costs would skyrocket. Reusable rockets cut those costs significantly. For example, the Falcon 9 rocket from SpaceX can land vertically on a drone ship at sea or on a landing pad on land. This process can be repeated dozens of times, making space missions more affordable. Reusability also speeds up space exploration. With rockets that can be used multiple times, space agencies can plan more frequent missions. This is important for establishing bases on other planets, conducting scientific experiments, and even creating commercial space industries. The faster we can launch and land, the quicker we can build a human presence beyond Earth. Another benefit is environmental impact. Manufacturing new rockets for each mission uses a lot of raw materials and produces waste. Reusing rocket stages reduces this waste and lowers greenhouse gas emissions. It also helps prevent space debris, which is a growing concern. When rockets are discarded in space or in oceans, they add to the clutter. Reusable rockets recover hardware, keeping space cleaner and safer. Of course, increasing launch frequency raises questions about space debris and collision risks. Managing space traffic and debris is essential as more reusable rockets take to the skies. But overall, the ability to reuse rockets makes space travel more sustainable and accessible. It lowers costs, speeds up missions, and supports the goal of humans living on other planets. This technology is a key step toward making multiplanetary life a reality.